Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to mark an event in iPhone. I wonder why you want to mark an event in iPhone. It is because something is coming very much important and you want to mark it. Or maybe there's any other reason for you. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instruction in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to open the calendar in iPhone. After that, you have to click on this option plus icon and then it will mark an event on your selected date. On the title, you have to type the title of the day. For example, if you are marking an event for party, then you have to type party, or if you have an interview, then you have to type interview. So whatever the purpose you are doing for this event, you have to type it here. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on second option which says location or video call. So here you can add the location or you can add the link of the video call which is related to that event. After that, it will ask you that how many notifications do you want, like you want the all day. If you click on all day, then it will remind you all day. But if you want to like select a timing that it will start notifying you from this time to this time, then you can select it. On the start, you have to select that date and it will start you on that date, and you can also select the time on that date. And when you want to end that notification, you can also select it by just tapping on the end, and then you have to add your date and you have to add the time, and the mobile will notify you in between this time. It will not notify you before or after. After that, what you could do is you could add time zones. For example, if you're living in a city, then you can add that time zone so that it will notify you according to that time zone. It will not notify you according to other countries' time zone. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and there you will see further options like repeat. If you click on it, it will show you that how much you want the notification to keep repeating, like every day, every week, every month. After that, we have an option calendar. If you click on it, it will show you that if you're busy or you are free on that day. And through this option invites, you can invite people to that event. You can add their email address and the invitation will be sent to them as a notification. And in the alerts, you can see that when it will start notifying you like 1 hour before, 10 minutes before, so you get ready before the events. After that, we have an option which is show as. If you select this option, through this option you can prioritize your event by just clicking on it busy, or you can make it a free. In add attachment, you can add different kind of files and other stuff. At the bottom you can add URL and notes. Once you're done with it, just click on add option and it will be added as an event. So here on the calendar, when you get back, you can see on the April we have an event showing as the red option. As you can see, this red option is our event, and when you click on it, it will show you details regarding to it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can mark an event in an iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.